Welcome to Touring Globe. Explore every single turquoise lagoon and stunning beach in Seychelles. 20 compelling reasons to travel to Seychelles, paradise on earth. Sweeping drone shots of turquoise lagoons, white powder beaches framed by granite boulders, and palm trees swaying in warm ocean breezes. Gentle waves lap at the shore as a sea turtle glides gracefully underwater. In the heart of the Indian Ocean lies a place so breathtaking it feels like a dream, a living postcard painted by nature herself. Welcome to Seychelles, an archipelago of 115 islands where time slows, the air shimmers with sunlight, and life unfolds in colors too vivid for words. This is not just another tropical destination. This is paradise, refined and untouched. Today, we bring you 20 compelling reasons to travel to Seychelles, a journey into one of the most enchanting corners of our planet. 1. The world's most photogenic beaches. Aerial views of Anse Source d'Argent, La Digue, pink granite rocks, crystal clear water, and powdery white sand. Seychelles is home to beaches so perfect they seem unreal. From Anse Source d'Argent to Anse Lazio, every cove feels like a private paradise sculpted for serenity. The sand is soft as silk, the water impossibly clear, a palette of blues you'll never forget. 2. Unspoiled nature and wildlife. Aldabra giant tortoises walking slowly, tropical birds flying through dense jungle canopies. Here, nature reigns supreme. The islands are sanctuaries for rare species like the Aldabra giant tortoise, fruit bats, and the Seychelles black parrot. Every trail reveals life that has thrived in isolation for millions of years, wild, untouched, and deeply sacred. 3. A diver's dream. Scuba divers exploring coral reefs, rays and reef sharks gliding through the depths. Beneath the surface, Seychelles transforms into a kaleidoscope of color. Coral gardens bloom with marine life, from clownfish to manta rays. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a beginner snorkeler, every dip feels like entering another world. 4. Year-round tropical climate. Sun-drenched beaches, gentle rain showers in lush forests, and stunning sunsets over the horizon. There's never a bad time to visit Seychelles. With temperatures averaging 26 to 30 degrees Celsius all year long, it's eternal summer. Even the rain here feels magical, warm, brief, and followed by rainbows arching over the sea. 5. Exclusive island resorts. Overwater villas, private pools overlooking turquoise lagoons, couples dining on the beach. Luxury finds its most natural form here. Resorts on islands like North Island and Frigate redefine indulgence, private beaches, ocean view villas, and the sound of waves as your only neighbor. It's not just a stay, it's a sanctuary for the soul. 6. Creole culture and warm hospitality. Locals dancing to Sega music, bustling markets filled with spices and tropical fruits. The heart of Seychelles beats to a Creole rhythm, a blend of African, European, and Asian heritage. You'll feel it in the music, the food, and the smiles that greet you everywhere you go. Hospitality here isn't a gesture, it's a way of life. 7. Delicious Creole cuisine. Seafood grills, coconut curries, fresh tropical fruit. Seychelles cuisine is a celebration of the ocean, grilled fish marinated in spices, octopus curry simmered in coconut milk, and sweet mangoes bursting with flavor. Each dish tells a story of island life, vibrant, bold, and unforgettable. 8. Island hopping adventures. Ferries gliding between islands, travelers cycling on La Digue, hiking on Mahé. With over 100 islands to explore, Seychelles is a paradise for wanderers. Hop from Mahé to Praslin, then to La Digue, each with its own rhythm, flavor, and charm. No two islands are the same, yet all share the same magic. 9. Vallée de Mahé Nature Reserve. Towering palms, dappled sunlight, rare Coco de Mer nuts. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Vallée de Mahé on Praslin is often called the Garden of Eden. home of the mystical Coco de Mer palm. Its giant seeds and lush canopy create an otherworldly forest, ancient, serene, and full of wonder. 10. The rare Coco de Mer. Close-up of Coco de Mer palms and seeds, tourists photographing the unique plant. Masterpiece, the world's largest seed and one of its rarest treasures. Its graceful form and mysterious origin have inspired myths for centuries, a symbol of fertility and paradise. 11. Breathtaking hiking trails. Hikers climbing Mont Blanc, panoramic views of Mahé's coast. Beyond the beaches lies another world, one of green peaks and hidden waterfalls. Trails like Mont Blanc reward hikers with sweeping ocean views, tropical scents, and the feeling of being truly alive. 12. Magical sunsets. Sunset over Beau Vallon Beach, silhouettes of palms against golden skies. Few places on Earth can match Seychelles at sunset. When the sky turns to gold and crimson, the world seems to pause, and you realize you're standing in the middle of paradise. 13. Perfect for honeymoons. Couples walking along secluded beaches, candlelit dinners under the stars. Romance comes naturally here. Seychelles is one of the most sought-after honeymoon destinations, offering privacy, beauty, and moments that linger forever. 14. Conservation and ecotourism. Sea turtle conservation, reforestation efforts, local guides leading eco-tours. Seychelles is a global leader in sustainability. Over half of its land and waters are protected, a promise to keep paradise alive for generations. Every visitor here plays a part in preserving its pristine beauty. 15. The vibrant marine parks. Fish swimming through coral reefs, kayakers paddling in marine reserves. Marine parks like St. Anne and Creole are underwater sanctuaries where life thrives. Kayak, snorkel, or sail, and you'll witness a symphony of color beneath the waves. 16. Peaceful island life. Local markets, fishermen casting nets, children playing by the shore. In Seychelles, there's no rush, no chaos, only peace. Days unfold slowly, marked by sunrise, laughter, and the rhythm of the tides. Here, you remember what truly matters. 17. Festivals and music. Carnaval International de Victoria, traditional dancers performing sega. Seychelles celebrates life through music and dance. The annual Carnaval International de Victoria fills the islands with color and sound, a joyful reminder that island culture is as vibrant as its landscapes. 18. Endless water adventures. Sailing, paddleboarding, jet skiing, windsurfing. For adventurers, Seychelles is a playground. Sail through calm lagoons, ride the waves, or paddle into the sunset, the ocean invites you to play. 19. The stunning flora and fauna. Rare orchids, bright tropical flowers, colorful birds. From rare orchids to the famous jellyfish tree, Seychelles bursts with life in every color. It's a living museum of evolution, a glimpse into Earth as it once was. 20. A place to reconnect with yourself. Solitary traveler watching the ocean, yoga on the beach, quiet sunset moments. Above all, Seychelles offers something no photo can capture: peace. It's a place to breathe, to disconnect from noise, and reconnect with yourself. Here, the sea whispers reminders of what's real: simplicity, stillness, and wonder. Montage of smiling locals, ocean waves, sun dipping below the horizon, and a final aerial shot of the islands bathed in gold. Seychelles is not just a destination, it's a feeling. A harmony of earth, sea, and soul. Every island is a promise of paradise, every wave a reminder that beauty still thrives in the world. This is Seychelles, timeless, pure, and forever unforgettable. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep your heart open to wonder. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.